Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Healing from class Discover 5H. Today, I'm gonna tell you about the elephant's communication. My presentation has three main parts. First is communication between elephants. The second is communication between elephants and the different species. The third one is communication between elephants and humans. Let's get started. First, I will tell you about the communication between elephants. There are four main reasons for elephants to communicate with each other. The first one is to find mates. When male elephants are ready to find mates, they go through a period called must. In this time, male elephants will have changes in their behavior, like being more violent and waving their ears. When males elephants flap their ears, they want to spread their smells to attract the females. If the females are ready to mate, they will make a specific sound to answer the males. Um, others and other elephants can hear this sound in the distance of about 2.5 miles, but humans are not able to detect this sound. The second reason is for sharing information, mostly about the location of water and food sources. Elephants produce a deep rumbles that travel through air and the ground. They can feel this vibration by their feet. This helps them to share each other the information of water and food sources from long distances. Next, elephants have a very long-term memory which allow them to remember the location of food and water sources from years ago. This will be passed down through generations, and the leader will lead the other elephants to the reliable sources. I have found this information from the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary Thailand website and the National Library of Medicine. The third reason is for taking care and raising the young. Different from communication between adults, elephants use a softer rumble with the babies. The females also help their child to stand by their trunks, often by grasping their tails. The last reason is for warning each other. Elephants often warning each other of danger by making sounds like trumpets, squeaks, squeakings, or rumbles. Maybe by actions like stomp their feet, spreading their ears, or shaking their head. The next part is communication between elephants and the different species. There are four main reasons for elephants to communication with the other species. The first one is for collaboration. Elephants is one of a very important animals for making ecosystem for other species. Their footprints create the ponds for smaller animals, and they also create pathways for other animals to go through. So they have a very good relationships with the other species. To communicate with them, elephants usually flap their ears or raise their tails to show their mood. They also using their trunks to touch other animals for greeting. I found this information from the Phang Nga Elephant Park. The next reason is for defending the territory. Elephants defend their territory by using their body weight to push the intruder. They also use their tusks to attack and their trunks to grab the opponent. The third reason is to show their strength. Elephants also spread their ears too. This makes them to look larger and more threatening with the other species. It helps them to show their power and to scare away the intruders. I found those information from the IFAW, the International Fund for Animal Welfare. The last reason is to protect the young. By the good physical condition, elephants' big body, trunks, tusks, and their big ears, which make them larger and more threatening, elephants can make sure their babies will be safe when being with them. Moreover, in the danger, elephants will make a circle with the others surrounding the young, using their body as walls to protect the young and making rumbles to reassure them. This information was found from the CBC News. The third part is communication between elephants and humans. There are two main reasons for the communication between humans and elephants. The first one is to maintain the friendship. Elephants can identify some parts of the human communication. They will respond that by making sounds like trumpets or rumbles. Next is for collaboration. Like in zoos, elephants will help people to interact with the visitors by their trunks, their trunks for greeting or flapping their ears to show their excitement. They also point things to show the zookeepers that what they want. That is the end of my presentation. Do anybody have questions? What is the most important purpose why elephants communicate with the same species? I think is to sharing information about the location of food and water, because water and food is the most important things that each animals must have to survive.
In what instances would elephants need to communicate with human beings?
With human?
Yes, that's right.
I think like in zoos, if they are hungry or they need something, they will making sounds or body language to show their thought.
Okay.
Okay, so there used to be some cases reporting that elephants attack people. So, what do you think are the reasons that trigger their reactions?
The reason for that actions, I think elephants is a very friendly animals and have the very good relationships with other species. If they attack people, I think it must be by people. The reason is by people actions. They do something bad to the elephants or something.
Okay, you can finish off your presentation, please.
And thank you for listening. Goodbye.